Ex Turpi Causa non Oritur Actio. It is a Latin origin maxim. It means one who is involved in illegal activities cannot pursue to claim reliefs or damages that arise from his own illegal act, or in other words, an illegal cause there can be no lawsuit. Let us now come to the meaning of each and every word of the Latin maxim. Ex means out of. Turpi mean disgraceful, causa mean reason, non mean not, oritur mean arise, actio mean action or deed. The principle behind the maxim is that the criminal are not allowed to take benefits. There are two prerequisites behind this maxim. One, the plaintiff sue the defendant for the loss or damages suffered by him for the acts of defendant. 2. The course of action in which the plaintiff have been is illegal. The principle is applicable not only in cases of tort but also in cases of law of contract, property, trust and others. To understand this very maxim, let us now have illustration. Mr. A, with the intention to cause physical harm to Mr. B, has moved forward with bamboo sticks. In the course of action, Mr. B had broken the hand of the son of Mr. A. Here, Mr. A cannot claim damages for the breaking of the hand of his son from Mr. B as because damages arose from his own illegal act. Let us now take another illustration. Mr. A had made an agreement with Mr. B to rob the house of Mr. C. Now Mr. B acted on the agreement and robbed the house of Mr. C and took the possession of the valuables. Here Mr. A cannot sue Mr. B for the enforcement of the agreement as because the agreement itself is illegal. The common law principle is that the court will not assist a person whose case is based on illegal or immoral act. Lord Mansfield, in the case of Holman vs. Johnson, opined that no court will lend its aid to a man who founds his cause of action upon an immoral or illegal act. In Tinsley vs. Milligan, the court shifted from the moral approach of Holman vs. Johnson, but was overruled in the case of Patel vs. Mirza. The court much rely on the maxim, one who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Lord Hoffman viewed the maxim ex turpi causa expresses not so much a principle as a policy. Furthermore, the policy is not based on a single justification, but on a group of reasons which vary in different situations. In India, number of cases was fought on the basis of this very maxim, such as 1. Kedarnath Motani and others versus Prahlad Rai and others, Supreme Court 1959. 2. Parul Bala Chandra versus Jamuna Bala Dasi, Calcutta High Court 1970. This maxim acts as a defense in the hand of the defendant. The court on its own will not lean to the maxim, but the defendant have to brought forward the defense during the trial and evidence and in the form of defense statement. It is a public policy that one cannot extract benefits of his own illegal doings.